Tjena nabo baba. Hey masenibona lento nizwa le voice nazi ukuthi it is about that time. Sekufike la xesha lokushaya inja ngeinja bese kuphenya inja. Grace and peace. I hope this finds you well and in good spirit. Igama Themba Lukele, otherwise known as Uskim. This is Abo Fader. It's no longer the newest show. I'm sure siyagrinda manje and people are happy at home. Manje ke ngicela ukuthi battle up. Angazi uhamba ngeFerrari, ngiyazi isibelt ibovu, uhamba ngale ngihamba ngayo ama seatbelt amnyama, uvule ne sunroof mawusekarini. Bese uvulela ivolume uya relax ngiphethe ihrotman yami today. I'm sure ngisazokubuza lezi engazibuzanga abanye abantu ukuthi kahle kahle off maba sentence abavela bathi siboshwa bathi ntaha bakushaya nga20. And then uyisiboshwa kwi public, uyisiboshwa ebantwaneni bakho, uyisiboshwa kwi judge. Mara makufika kuma prison warder, umuntu banimviwa lo muntu esekuthiwe uyi inmate. Nimviwa as in before sis introduce time. Uba yini umuntu oyisiboshwa kini?
Umuntu oyisiboshwa is a client githi.
Yeah.
And then the client it needs a service.
Yeah.
And the best service that we can give is rehabilitation.
Yeah man. Ne yabo mechanic manje lapha.
Most definitely.
Niphethe 13 spanner. So lawo mechanic abaforce etsing nenza njani because hey abafeli ngari go dominate bona ko tronkong. So sekwenzakalani mase kungena ihoko because amajele amaningi aphethwe nabuswa ihoko.
It's unfortunate because our department, the correctional services, it's supposed to have people abaneyimilo ezinhle.
Yeah.
Mele kube umuntu okhona ukunderstanda umuntu okumele abe nozwelo emntwini. Because abantu ababathumela kithi abantu ekuwukuthi they've wronged the society.
Yeah.
And we have this responsibility and a duty for that matter. Ukuthi si rehabilitate labantu sibabonise enye indlela. Ukuthi ilife ayikho ngalendlela le mhlambe yena bekayibona ngakhona eqaleni, and then the approach has to be different. From that moment awokha in nje isimilo sakho as a person kumele sichange, kumele uzitshele wena ukuthi you want to be a different person. Yabona, you need to assimilate into that system. And kukithi nje as officials the department, but it's unfortunately amongst us bakhona labo, yabona, umuntu
washaya kamnandi. So when I was invited to Khosi FM, now make khuluma nami usisi wami, so rest in peace, uthi into ye correctional services wayibiza ngesizulu wathi ukuhlumeleliswa kwezimilo. So in other words, exchange or change the offenderal behavior. Asibabingelele time alarm ubatshela igama nesibongo nokuthi ubuya kuphi exactly.
Mina igama nguJoseph Buti Smatle, also known as Osierra. Yes, ngibuya eDaveyton, eDuka, eThwathwa.
Lo Sierra udume over. Ngeke ngezwe ngikhuluma namajita few and kunegama lika Sierra liyangena liyaphuma laphana. Asithathe silahlele ecollege or college. What is the expectation from the department, as it were, when you get to the college? The first thing, mawuthola leya guide or a study guide, and obviously they are saying to you, khohlo kwakudala sifuna ukuthi sikuthathe ingqondo yakho kumele ibe enshrined ne constitution, ne white paper on corrections, ne be order, ne act of 311 yaka 1990 bani. What is it exactly le eyenzwayo lapha ecollege maniara?
When I first joined the department, it was in 1994, and into ebhlungu, I will put it that way, ukuthi the department was still militarized. And then engqondweni yami namanje ngisasho, and thanks God imithandazo yami yaphenduleka ukuthi you cannot rehabilitate people in an environment ukuthi it's militaristic. Yeah. So mangijoin the department, mangifike college, I was trained bekusana lento le yaboma A order and P order.
Yeah.
Because by then it was still the prison services as compared to what it is now. Correctional services.
Yeah.
So ngalezo nkathi lezo you were trained nje ukuthi uyodila nesiboshwa. Yeah, nebanditi.
Yeah.
Because inmate bengafichari anyway. Well, mina background yami, how I was brought up, that is why it took me so long ukuthi ngijoin a department, because bengavumelani naleyo mindset. I was a different person, but again, is situation yangaleso skati, you getting old, And then kuba nalento leyo ukuthi no mawunga join i-department there were opportunities ukuthi umuntu angaya iskela because I didn't get bursaries.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so that's why I joined the department. Yeah.
So when did you know any better? Because for you to say bengavumelani nalento le. Yini boyibona ingcono wena mhlambi?
I mean, like I said, indaba ye military. In military, it's something that is very far away from indaba ye civil. Yeah. In military, you are trained. Awuqabangi. You just follow instructions.
So it's not a minimum force situation. You apply your maximum. So inmate or isboshwa siyavalelwa siyakhiyelwa.
Finish.
Indaba ye development and rehabilitation. I remember many months back, I keep on quoting lento yakhulumeke parliament by the former commissioner at that time begu Mr. Zakaria Mudisa. What my people are still institutionalized. Now we are in the correctional services day, but they are still stuck in the prison day. So I'm not sure if you are aligned with that. Ukuthi no kahle when ira ongene ngayo yile. Phela mawuthi 94 izinto bezi different even before. Now so ku post apartheid. Do you feel ukuthi I department there are no significant changes abazenzile or strides to this day?
Okay, 1996, the department year move from military to civil because even nama rank structure we moved away from lezinto lezi zokuthi umuntu usajeni warrant officer and all these military ranks.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, like I said before, kunalabantu laba bekuwukuthi bakhona ku system like what we have just said now, what the former commissioner said ukuthi abantu they are still institutionalized. So bekusana labo bantu labo abanjalo okuwukuthi noma wena as their colleague you want to engage them with gents, we need to change their approach. Uyabona? Indlela ekumele sisebenze ngayo. For an example, when I joined the department bekunalento leyo ukuthi there has to be a distance ethize between wena nesibosho nebantiti. Yabona? But mina my concern was that, but how can I rehabilitate umuntu okuwukuthi angazi next naye? For starters angimazi negama lakhe. I only know him to be a bandit. Yabona? So ngikhuluma kanjani nalomuntu lo? If this person uzohlala lapha kude. Uzosondela kanjani kimi? How will I know ukuthi what led him to commit lama crimes awayenzile? Yabona into efana nale. So you can't rehabilitate umuntu ongamazi. The best respect that one can give to any person ukuthi wazi igama lomuntu. Uyayibona into efana nale. Ukuthi ubani. And then secondly mele wazi ukuthi ukhuluma nomuntu. Yabona? So umuntu unyeke ukube umuntu until such time wazi igama lakhe. So if you have that distance between wena naye, surely akhola uyakhona nalo muntu. Yabona?
I am Khaisu, is still tuned in to Abu Fader. I guess this is the day that the Lord has made. Ukuthi sizohlala kahle simamele lithuise lelona. So you have an obligation now at home, whether in your car, whether uhleli ibhilidini or usehotela, whether usedanyane, because ikhona access. Singayenzi ngathi we are naive. Akusisela sasikhathi sokuthi bathi umntana uza nge-Oloprane. Now we know the truth. So let's call each other out so that siyenzani siyichange in the country, because for now what we are doing, we are saying we are fixing the country. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share so that we grow this community on our road to 300K. I'm sure very soon, sizobe sihita ama number very serious. Right? Jwale riyakena jwale. Take us straight to prison. You're welcome when you go to the most hopeless of places. That's what I call it. When we see this orange, I call it a badge of shame in my book. You're welcoming. Mawufike Danyan.
I never had a good experience, to be honest, especially the welcoming part of it. Because the prison engifikele kuyo mina medium C. And the prison engasho ukuthi bekuyi prison ama Faircraft. And then it was at that time yama AWPs. I remember bogna babaqeda ukugwetshwa, if I'm not mistaken, and there was this guy, a white guy, Faircraft, I want to put it that way. Okuwukuthi bekagwetshiwe, and who was supposed to be banditi, as we were brainwashed ukuthi abantu amabanditi. But this white banditi yena bekathola i-treatment preferential, different from this other inmates, yabona, zabantu abamnyama. And then the sad part ukuthi he head of the prison by then bekuwumuntu omnyama, but unfortunately an institutionalized person. Yabona? Then again, for people like myself, it was never easy ukuthi you can come up with ideas and suggestions, yabo? Because immediate C kahle si put it straight beki white prison.
Yeah.
Immediate C bekune laundry room. Ngoba bekshizila abelungu laphayana. So ama inmate walaphana beba ne laundry la kwashwa khona impahla zabo. Yayibona ukuthi into enjani. And then you cannot find izinto ezifana nalezo ema medium B izinto ezinjalo, yabo? So that is the sad part. So kwathola ukuthi mangifika laphayana mangiquestiona some of these things masinya nje sengiyasuswa ngiswe eGarden City, yabona?
Eyosi.
Yeah, eGarden City. I then eGarden City was the private clinic, yabona?
Yeah.
Ngoba I was perceived to be one person okuthi uzoba ne bad influence kuma officials, yabona? So bangisusa bangisa kulento le ebizwa iBete Bevakeng, the prison service, yabona?
Okay.
So ukuthi sengiyosebenzela ngaphandle. Ngisuke la ku ebhodweni phakathi, yabona?
Was it a sort of a punishment or something?
Yeah, I will say so because mina develop a good rapport nama inmate.
Yeah.
Because mina when I joined the department beseng level 1. Yeah. SAFA coaching, football coaching, yabo? And then when I first came to prison ngabona ukuthi man izinto the ways zenzakala ngakhona in terms of rehabilitation. Akho la siyakhona, yabona? So I brought my expertise mina. Yabona? Wathola ukuthi no man lento le abantu abaningi abaphathi kahle. Especially ingamla, yabona? Ukuthi mina I'm too close nama inmate, yabona? Enye into ekumele ngi-emphasize for one bengasu lo muntu omokolayo, yabona? Because even nama inmate bewazi if uza kimi ngengcondo efana naleyo bengokutshela kahle mina ukuthi hayi mina I'm not here for that, yabona? Mina ngizotshintsha isimilo sakho. So how can ngingatshintsha isimilo sakho manje ekubeni sengenza izinto ezibhedayo, yabona? So that was my problem. So ukuya kwami vele eGarden City kahle bekuyipunishment, yabo? Ngoba ne supervisor lebe banginikeze yona vele. He was informed ukuthi adile ngami. Why am I saying so? Because the treatment that he gave me, yabo? Yeah, lendlela lebe bengisebenziswa ngayo.
Asike silungise indaba I'm not sure whether it Brookhates Cup or group dominant thinking or wishful thinking. Why kunale system eyokuthi mawuzondwa edanyane oyowani unduna or onamandla or the powers that be, then baya hotspotana ba bluetoothana inzondo so uzondwe wonke umuntu iyapi lento le because yenzeka kuyiboshwa yenziwa kumaphoyisa. Are people brainwashed ngaleyo ndlela leyo? Are people not free thinkers? Why kunalento? Because umuntu makathi uphumile systemini ukucheck abantu abadlule la kubo father wonke umuntu udemvu mina vele benginedwa imvula mangena ngapha kuyaziwa into yakhona ibhebhethekile njenge virus. What happens ngalento i-cult or yini kahle ngejele?
I'm not sure ngegama eli right ukuyidescribe lento, but I think nje engakusho ukuthi people are not free thinkers. And then abantu banalento leyo ukuthi umuntu angakhona ukuzicabangela afuna ukucatshangelwa umunye umuntu and afune ukudependa komunye umuntu. I think ukuyichaza kahle kuzomela ukuthi ngikhulume ngama officials, because it will be wrong ukuthi ngikhulume ngama inmate, because I was never an inmate, so I don't have that much insight. Because with officials kunalento leyo ukuthi especially with our managers, yabona? Nalabantu laba esingababiza ngokuthi yimpimpi, yabona? Kunalabantu laba umuntu ongakhona ukuzenzela izinto, yabona? From 1996 kube nalento le i-department my move from prison services to correctional services, yabona? Kube nalento le ukuthi mawumuntu if you want to go anywhere, mele ugeleze, yabona? Uzi-empower, yabona? And then ke kunalabantu laba bazitshela ukuthi bona ngeke baze bayenze, and mostly labantu laba ekuthi ba institutionalized, yayibona into efana le. And kunabantu abangene laphayana hayi ngoba asogola afuna isipani, yayibona into enjani? Kunabantu ababanjwe ngesandla bafakwa, yabona? So lento le engathi mhlambe ngayidescribe njenge corruption, I think iqala lapho, yabona? Nalento le nje as usho yokubluetootha inzondo, yabona? Umuntu akuzonda ngakwazi, yabona? Umuntu nje uzwa abantu baxoxa or uyatshelwa, yabona? Uthi ne umuntu nje. Why am I saying that? I remember one day it was a sports day lapha eSpanini, yabona? Ngihleli amongst us lapha bokunama manager I2 yabona, and a very senior managers, and labantu laba bangazi yayibona into enjalo. Yeah, so bayaxoxa ke incosi yami bebadlala idisk lapha yana yabo. So incosi yami uThekeni beka blind ngedisk udlala namajita yabo. So people were talking, hey man umntana kabani lo and everything yabo. So amajita aphendula athi man umntana kaSierra lo yabo. So this person uyabuza uthi omuphi uSierra yabona, but man lo Sierra lo iRasta yabo, because mina I'm Rasta kahle kahle yabona. Yeah, but uSierra
nama dreads iRasta le Rastafarian or Rasta.
No, I'm Rasta mina. My thread is in my heart yabona.
Oh yeah. Oh, we embrace the straight way.
Yeah.
Rastafarian.
Yeah, I'm a Rasta.
Labo la Kidube and.
Yeah, I'm Rasta yabona.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh inja Bob Marley.
Yeah, all the way yabona.
Yeah.
So kube nalento ukuthi yena lo Sierra we Rasta yabona. By then ngaleso sikhathi vele bengine thread yabona. Yeah, uSierra. Oh lo Sierra lo sogolisa yabo. Ngihleli la lo muntu. Uyabona ukuthi lo muntu ukhuluma ngomuntu angamazi yabona. No, that boy is a problem and we really need to deal with him. Yabona? Usho kanje ngila ngiphambi kwakhe yabona. Then laba abangaziyo manje abaphendulile yabona. Baqakekile manje bafuna ukumvimba ngibhekile mina ukuthi kwenzakalani yabona. Yabona into enjalo. Manje sekakhulume nenye into manje ukuthi we really need to deal with him and there is a plan yabona. So I've known vele mina from kudala yabona. Nalesimo esingibeka la manje yiso leso simo sokuthi vele bokumele kudilwe ngami. But the question ukuthi dilwa ngami ngenseni yabona. I remember one time kwaba ne charge yabona, do ukuthi charge yakhona nje iye yaphelela emoyeni and then waze kwalandela yenye charge. Yazi ngichargelwani, ngichargelwa ukuthi mina ngelock up ngiye ngavulela ibosho ekukuthi bekwama students wami ngoba mina bengifundisa, mina nginama product, mina kunabantu abanabo BSc Information Science yabona, nginama advocate today aba practiceayo yabona, ngoba isigele mina bekuyinto yami hayi kuphela eboshweni, even nakuma officials if une interest mina bengokuhlohla yabona. I'm proud to say today some of the senior managers today ama product wami yabona, abantu ekukuthi ngeke ngakhuluma nabo babonisa ukuthi bane interest endabeni yesigele
Influence.
Yeah. So yilento leyo mina mhlambi ekukuthi ngifele ngoba ngeke ngachargelwa leyo nto leyo yabona. There was this one guy oyewang defender, unfortunately o resignile manje naye vele uye wahlukumezwa kakhulu, uye wahlukumezwa. He was due for promotion, he was not promoted because he stood for my case ukuthi kahle kahle lo muntu semchatshelani ngoba uwenza lo msebenzi okumele awenze yabona, ngaleyo incident kuphela yabona. So yiyo nje into engicabanga ukuthi mina mhlambi iye yenza ukuthi kuze kube nalento leyo ukuthi kube nenzondo engaka yabona.
Right, people always focus on the negative. Can you talk about the positives and the plus? Also, Eddie, the value that you added in the system. Ongayikhuluma off by heart, even when you are sleeping, or 10 fingers on the Bible. What are those things that you take out from your service? You spend how many years going?
When I was dismissed in 2017, besengina 23 years service. 23. Yes.
So 2 decades nengxenye. So what are those things? Ongazi highlight manje and tell abantu at home to say, look, this was my doing. You mentioned ukuthi amajita amanyagelezile, your influence. So mara lesbozenza wena ucabanga ukuthi this has really added some flavor empilweni zamajita.
Look, the kunale hot money le, but you with Desmond, unfortunately ngikhohlwe igama lakhe. I hope usaphila. Yeah. But ke iza ngikhulume ngalo muntu lo okuthi mhlambe wonke umuntu enukhe wafika kule program ye Scheme GP.
Yeah.
Uthapelo Mofokeng known as Sylvester. Yabona?
Shintsha kuluva.
Yeah. Like I remember amakafika eGarden City ebekadutshulwe blind. He was a hopeless case. Kahle lo muntu lo bokumele nje ashone. Kahle yabona?
Yeah.
So much that ukuthi uSylvester, even some of my colleagues bebangafuni ukumgade ukuhlala naye kahle yabona. And then mina ngazikhethela yena yabona, ngathi no nginikeni yena lo muntu, mina ngizosebenzana noSylvester yabo ku shift yami ngena kuSylvester yabo. And then uSylvester mangisaqala ukuhlala naye bekuumuntu okuthi akakhona ukuzenzela next the way bekangakhona yabona. But then labo nurse nabo ngoba sebatsheliwe yabona, bambuka ngenye indlela, ngabatshela ngathi no phela nina ningabonesi yabona. Yeah, mina yimi kumele ngibhekane nalo muntu ngalendlela leni nimbheka ngayo yabona. Cut a long story short, uSylvester waze waphaphama waba right saqala sakhuluma yabo. I tried to understand uSylvester yabo.
So mawumgada every day mawuya, he was just, lying there like someone, a body, lifeless body.
Yeah, a lifeless body yabona. Uthi nje mina ngibone lo umnyakazo nyana makububa khona kube yimi engizomisa because bebathi uya pretenda kahle kahle yabona. Ngoba uSylvester bekaziwa ukuthi awuphula ikhanda yabona.
Yo.
So mina ngathi no ngizongena kulo muntu. Yayibona into enjalo. Yeah. So I've been in situations kula department. I remember khona lapha eGarden City. Kunale escape ekhe yenzakala. Yale time leli I'm informed manje ukuthi sewashona uMadinga yabona.
Ungayikhohlwa le escape. I want us to wrap up quickly the issue of Sylvester. Usually us, mangithi us ngikhuluma ngabantu abala as content creators nama podcaster. Siyalwisa man. Abantu bethu basuke bafuna lo muntu, bangafuna ukuphazamiseka. So mase ngiyekile ungasayiqedelanga le yanto. Bafike bathi mara akayiqedanga indaba kaSylvester. So bazoyobalwa nami before singena kumadala uMadinga. Then uSylvester uphaphama uvuka uloku operator naye.
Ngoperator naye uSylvester. Uyaphaphama uSylvester. Sengiyaxoxa noSylvester. Hey wena ubani yabo? Vele naye unolaka lakhe. Yabona? So mina ngiyazi understand ukuthi ngubani, why am I here? So ngimbona njenge client mina. So I need to give him service. Service yami rehabilitation. So I need to understand ama attitudes afana nalawo. Yabona? I need to understand ukuthi why lo muntu abehave ngalendlela. Why angibona ngalendlela. Yabona? Then ngaqhubeka kanjalo uze wangibona njengomuntu hayi njengephoyisa. Nami ngambona njengomuntu hayi njengebhanditi. Yayibona into efana le. From there from lapho ke sa develop a good rapport noSylvester. Yayibona into enjalo. No waba right. uSylvester makangena laphana bekangakwazi nokuhamba. But I think makuloku kuyisikhathi ugcine seka exercise ngemkhuthaza amafizo abo Dr Mabeza bekabafoka ronda yabo ngibatshela ukuthi labantu basiza wena mfethu yabona akusiza. Then he changed his attitude ultimately uSylvester manje the last time I saw him Magala yabona ngoba nenye out yami yangitshela yathi neyiyaxoxa noSylvester yambona angamboni face to face yabona but I'm told ukuthi manje uhamba nama crashes yabo angazi ngoba ukhe wafika la nina ningayisho lento le ukuthi intito hamba
we'll drink coffee Mavester na meeting la no uzozazi it's good for one to have a thank you and a sorry umuntu uMavester. So I took this upon myself, and a lot of people I was attacked by the way to say Emon lo mchita lo isicwele man lo bekashaya ikhanda lo nani ngithi mfethu ngifuna lo one ongena sono, you must cast the first stone. So you're no longer living in glass houses, so you can't now have a privilege of saying no hayi lala vuka nani. Only God can judge us, as the song would go. No asiye kumadala ke manje kwi escape leke yenzeka la
escape iyenzakala. Mina ngikhwanga ngene Sipanini ngena ngo4 yabo eGarden City. Awumangifika ngoba mina vele njengoba sengichazile bengilo umuntu lo okuthi mangifika nje I will greet my clients yabona. Ngiyawa-check amajita wonke yabona. So uSylvester bekasehambile ngaleso sikhathi sekunomadala manje. Naye umadala is high profile. High profile yabo.
Ungene le nda.
Well umadala beku labantu laba abaphakamayo. Language yaseDanyana yabo abantu abaphakamayo so ungena ngalezo ndlela
bekakeca kahle kahle umadala bakapha uphakame eDanyana uphakama ngaphandle
ngaphandle ngaphandle
umuntu wama highest whatever bank robberies
lezo zinto lezo so umadala uyangena ke naye njenge high profile mele abhekwe lo muntu yabo. So mina normal I develop interest ebantwini abanjalo yabona they fascinate me a lot lapho lapho ngifuna ukwazi ngabo. I want to understand them. After all I'm a correctional officer yabona. So I need to rehabilitate these people like I said ngimrehabilitate kanjani umuntu engamazi yabona into njalo. So ngangena again agcine sengifustana naye siyakhona ukuhrutana but ungidabulela umhaqo sangibona nje ngomaphuza yabona. Alright akunandaba mina I understand, I'm tolerant. So that day mangingena hayi man umadala akekho embedeni yabona. And manje akusisikhathi sokugeza lesi yabona. Hayi ngiye laphana ngicheke hayi shower room bekuyi bathroom kahle kahle yabona. I-bathroom ngiyezwa amanzi ayarana yabona. Mara kuvaliwe i-bathroom kulokhiwe yabona. Nginokhe nje emadala sengikhona yabona. Ngizitshela ukuthi usageza yabona. Ngihambe abuma 4:10 yabo. Hawu mangibuya ntambama
yabo. That's right.
Mangibuya hawu man umadala akekho embedeni yabo. hawu Mathala kwenzakalani ngibuyele laphana no amanzi asarana yabona hawu Mathala kanti yena ugeze isikhathi esingakanani yabo but once more ngisasho Mathala no mina sengibuyile yabona sengikhona njengoba ngikutshelile yabona qeda phela sizokwazi ukuthi ngibhale incwadi nazo zonke izinto ngokubona physical yabo ngoba ukile lapha yabo aka respond uMathala ngivaye ngenza ikofi hayi man mangibuya uMathala akekho embedeni yabo hayi manje sengiba worried yabo Mathala ngiyanoka aka respond lo muntu yabo ngijime ngikutshela usister sister kunomuntu onje yabo
ucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe iwili ibhoza yafeinta
mina sengicabanga lezo zinto manje yabona ngoba lo muntu vele naye ufike nje angekho right yabo ukuthi what if lo muntu lo vele ukhawathekile lapha ebathroom ene ungene yena azilokhela akasakwazi nokuzivulela yabona into njani ngilanda usister vele naye asho athi imani yazi iqinisile yabo bekunenye intwana eChina lapha elala phambi kwaMadala sengibuyela kule ntwana yendoda lo muntu adala umuntu sinza ngena lapha ngabo ma2 Eta ngabo ma2 kibo ma26 mustanishwana vele maintenance bavule mabavula aya kuna next yabona uMadala udle phansi yabona
usahile ufohlozile
I cannot explain into eyenzakele lapha I don't want to lie yabona but mina mase ngidibana naye years later ngoba ugcine sekabuye edanyana
sidiphakwa
yabona uMadala ungicocela yonke into yenzakele ukuthi yonke lesiphithiphithi esenzakalayo la mina ngithulile nginibhekile ngimeli opportunity kuphela yabona ngithi kanjani Madala tangi ngishaye ngomuthi
wazichafa
uthi ushaye ngomuthi makasho enevele so varvar mina mangena lapha bekunelinye iphepha nje elinomuthi nyane elihleli lapha kulontozo yabona athi no nginishaye uconfessile kimi
lemora movie le mfethu ifuna Robert De Niro asibhalele something script
ngoba ngiyambelieve mina ngoba kugcine sekuzokala neBrixton yabona kuye kwagcwala lapha nama helicopter kuye kwababhizi eGarden City yabo so uMadala makasho yena mase ngimbuza ke uyasho ukuthi hayi wena Sierra mawenza kanje mina ngibheke yonke into ngihamba nani yabona nale trolley le engenile leya ama what ama towel and everything
uyakhumbula wena
njengoba niyovula lapha ngoba thina besingena kulomnyango ngasemuva njengoba niyovula lapha wena Sierra nivula kanje vele mina ngibhekile ngihamba nani mina bengumele nje ukuthi kuvulwe yabona bese ngiyahamba yabona ngoba checkiwa ama camera akuna next yabona so uyisi story sakaMadala ke njengoba ngizodibana naye and mase ngidibana naye sekaxoxa le story lesasho athi mfethu yazi wena the way we waba ne impact ngakhona yabona sho ukuthi njengoba ngibuya eDanyane bengifisa vele ukuthi ngimithane nawe yabona ngoba mina I'm a different person manje yabona and uMadala vele mangihamba mina eDanyane ngidismisswa ngimshiye eDanyane
this is after how many years ubuya after how many years
uMadala escape 96 ne and then mina medium B mangidibana naye it was 2013 2013
uhlalile ngaphandle
uMadala
uhlalile escape 99
uhlalile uMadala
so awungitshele ke now adjacent to that of course ekuvula iinquiry the first thing ekumele yenzeke angithi bayasho ukuthi endod you must keep your eyes on the prize so what happens then mase kungena investigation kuba ne-inquiry of course were you charged, were you suspended?
I was never charged mina kahle uMadala ngaleso sikhathi leso thina that ward besishera namaphoyisa i-SAPS yabona so uMadala bekuumuntu we-SAPS yayibona into efana so iward sihamba sonke ngoba nathi besinama client kule ward bekakuyo yabona so mina ngimjwayele ngale ndlela leyo kahle yabona bekungasi umuntu wethu uqondile ngaleso sikhathi leso
beka cross ngamhlakazi kahle
yabona into efana leyo but ke ngoba mina mangingena wonke umuntu olapha yana bengimthatha ngalendlela le bengimthatha
mara mele ufaka ama statements I mean umuntu oyibona ecala lento ukuvula mawuthi kuvulwe nani bayeba kwenza statement ukuthi man wena uboneni like a son statement witness statement.
I was never considered mina kulezi zinto ezifana lezo ezingisho ukugcine kuzikhulu zase Brixton lapha na SAPS kwaba isiphithiphithi nje yabona abantu abayebanikezana ngestatement if ngikhumbula kahle i-nursing staff yabona thina as correctional services abasifunanga and even if bekuwukuthi ngiyacabanga manje ukuthi if baye basifuna i-statement bokumele baqale ku-management yami, and i-management yami would not have wanted me to give a statement because mina bengizokuphana nge-true version of things. Yayibona into efana naleyo. And as ngishilo kunalabantu laba ba-institutionalized, kunezinto kumele zifihlwe and everything. Mina ngamelana nalezo zinto lezo, yabona? So I think if yizi into efana naleyo.
Asingene ke straight ke udabeni lakho because for some reason abanye abantu bathe mfethu mina ngivictimiziwe, abanye kuviolatiwe ama human rights wami and eyiboshweni kunento esibiza i-right and then nento esibiza i-privilege. Mhlawumbe you have a right to healthcare, to igawulo ukuthi ukhona ukuhlala, and ngikhuluma ngama human rights. Okay, asikhulume nge-human dignity because Metro FM ngilalela abo Sis Faith the other day bekune politics serious between Singabakho Nxumalo and the one said i-timer konjubani le sibosh Malsbudu onokufaka amaketang iGrootman. So iGrootman yona ikhuluma ngale ndaba ye-human dignity. Then the question was kahle how much is enough kan for isiboshwa labantu badlani kanti lengaka la ngaphandle abantu badla imile 1 iboshwa zidla amamila i3 and stuff. Mara ngifuna sibuyele nje kule yakho wena ukuthi iqala kanjani into yakho ukuthi baqale bak-attack manje systemini before bakupusha out.
Njengoba besengishilo i-proximity yami to ama client I think bekuyi problem kakhulu. And then enye into mina bengumuntu ofocused indabeni zesikole kakhulu.
Yeah.
And then kunalento leyo ukuthi masifika emsebenzini kwenza ama announcement bathi siyaparade. Yeah. Kula information i-disseminate khona. Yeah. Yabona? So kaningi nje some of our senior managers who, after dissemination of information, they will be saying any clarity-seeking questions. Yeah. So, mina, I will be asking those questions, not because ngifuna ukuspite, yabona, because nga understand ezinye izinto. For an example, maba introduce lenta le, what did they call it? No, I will remember that name. Yeah, bebayibiza ngayo.
During the year, Operation Vala kanjani?
No, not about Operation Vala.
Okay.
Yeah, we program entsha because njengoba ngibengishilo bengise medium C. Yabo? I center of excellence. Yeah, I center of excellence because manje I medium C bebafuna uku profile, yabona? Ku center of excellence. And then mina njengoba bengibanikeza iproblem ngendaba sesikela ngoba mina ezingishilo bengafuni mina umuntu o-idlayo edanyana. Yabona ama inmate no. Mele udlala i-chess, mele udlala i-disc. Kakhulu nje mele uwenze ugeleze. Yayibona into efana nale. Yeah. So ngalwela le ndaba leyo ukuthi e-sectionini yami kube ne-computer center, yabona? Kusakuse ngeinkathi zabo ma Pentium 4, yabona zisangena, yabona? So yangena lapha yana. So isigela kahle bese sectionini yami kakhulu. Yeah, that's one section i-D section produce most graduates manje, yabo. So kwaba yileso simo leso esifana naleso. So I will think that ukuthi mina mangibuza bebacabanga ukuthi lo ngalesikolo sakhe, yabona? Ufuna ukuzenza ngathi uyazi. By the way, mina ngimanage, yabona into efana le. You can't be asking me izinto esifana nalezo, yabona? Mele uthathe yonke lento ngokutshela yona. But then if ufuna kanjalo, why do you say any clarity seeking questions? Yayibona into efana le. Yeah, opening up a window mina. Unginikeza opportunity. So if awufuni ngithathe le opportunity, close that window. Yabona? I won't be asking questions, yabona? And nakhona vele mele ngiwabuze because lento ngitshela yona izoyenziwa yini. Yabona? So the practicality of things izaziwa yini. Yayibona into ifana nalento le ye-3 meal system when they were introducing it. Yabona? I-3 meal system ithi imoshwa mele zidle ukudla the last meal of the day must be a warm meal. Yayibona into efana leyo. The next thing wena uyeza uletha i-cold drink nesingo. Yayibona into efana leyo ebandayo, yabona? And then mina yimi ngizomikisa lokudla lokho. And then inmate mayifika ingibuza ithi hayi but ipolice ayisho kanje. Yayibona into enjalo. So how do I explain this thing? yabona. So let us engage so that mangiya laphana nami ngikwazi ukucover up if mele ngicover up, yabona. But mawufuna ukungiyeka nje nginjalo nginaked, uyabona ukuthi kwamini uyang-expose and yimi ngisebenza nalabantu laba direct, yabona into efana le. So I think mina yiyo into eyenze ukuthi mhlambe bangibheke ngelinye ilihlo, because I was this type equestionayo, yabona. And manje ewes, yabona uma umuntu onjalo banokufisa ukuthi ngathi unganyathela insipho, yabona, ngelanguage yasedanyana. Manje insipho as an official uzoyinyathela ngokuthi wenza izinto ezwrong, yabona. One, angikhasi mina, yabona, angibhemi njengoba ngiyirasta, yabona. Kunalento ukuthi siyamazi ukuthi irasta kusho ukuthi nensanga uzozokala nayo, yabona. Angifaki insanga edanyana, yabona. Bengazenzi, and I'm proud to say that, yabona. Bengazenzi, yabona. And inmate mayinenkinga, and kuyinkinga engicabanga ukuthi we need to involve the family. Sinama resources we state, yabona into efana leyo. Ama resources afana nelo ntosa ne-phone, yabona. Ngitshele amanamba wasekhaya athini, ngifonela ifamily and then ngimenzele i-arrangement nama-social work badile naleyo nto leyo. If uyangi-involva bazongi-invite nami ngicontribute la ngingacontribute khona. I think I've answered your question.
So leyo nto leyo kahle kahle iyazala inzondo manje kwabathize, because I know maybe somewhat the way beyangakhona, to me it can only mean one thing, when you were on the side of the inmate according to them, because the questions that you were asking, they were not in their favor. So bebati, which side are you on?
Because from ecology kunalento yokuthi zifa ngamvunye, akithi borke sizulu se right
interest le zifa ngamvunye njani,
yabona, ukuthi one inmate will misbehave, yabona. Angisho edanyani kunalento le yama numbers, yabona into enjalo. Kunalabantu laba abangashaya umthetho, yabona. Kunabantu ekukuthi ungene edanyani ngendlela different kunomunye, yabona into enjalo. So it cannot be that ukuthi ama 26 mawenza flop, mele mina ngibulale ne11, yabona, ngoba uniform yafana, yabona into efana le. Mina I was there ngibonile lento le mayikhaya, yabona. So lo muntu lo asimchifteni
sekusebenza common sense man,
yabona into efana nale, yayibona into efana nale,
wehla ngayo kahle.
So kuba iproblem, yabona, uthi no asifuni bona abafuna ukuthatha ama shortcut, yabona, uthi no iproblem siyisolvile. Ngithi that is not how, because wena mawuqeda ukuyisolva kanje uyahamba ungishiya nalapha
uplanti enga,
yayibona into efana nale. Mina kumele ngidile nalo muntu, yabona. As-isolate lo muntu nakhona singam-isolate nge-intention yokuthi sifuna ukumvictimize, as understand ukumpanisha me to say, yayibona. Let us understand ukuthi why abehave ngale ndlela. Mhlambe nathi somehow we have contributed to this type of behavior, yabona. Where we have contributed asilungiseni, simnikezeni chance sibone ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani, yabona. Izinto ezifana nabo privilege system, yabona. There is no reason yokuthi umuntu angahlala ku system for a period of 10 years. Ibehavior yakhe siyayibona ukuthi this person ufuna no contribute. This person uphethe diploma, is an educator lo muntu. Yabona into efana le. We have so many inmates ekukuthi zifuna ukugeleza, yabona. Abanye abangenanga nase classini. Why can't we use this person? Yabona into efana le. Why can't we use this person ukuthi akhona ukufacilitate, abe facilitate. Yabona izinto ezifana. Izinto ezifana nabo Ezrek. Yabona, i-Ezrek ithini police nge-Ezrek, yabona. Why le mali lezi ekumele zisebenze to the benefit and upliftment of ama inmates zingayi lapho? And lezo mali ziyakuphi, yabona. Ziyakuphi ngoba zimakhona lezo mali lezi. There is this 5% ekumele iye kuma programs, yabona. Iyakuphi leyo mali leyo, yabona. And by the way, kulama programs a generator leyo mali leyo. Mina I become involved, but imali maseyibalwa kwenzakalani ukukhulunywa ngemali sengibekelwa ngaphandle mina, yayibona. So yilezo zinto lezo mina engicabanga ukuthi they created a problem, yabona, because bengiziquestion and bengingaziquestion kabi ngoba ngizifunela mina, yabona. Because abantu engisebenza nawo ama client wami will ask me, yabona, will ask me Sierra, manje sisebenzile kusetshenzwe kanjani, yayibona ukuthi into enjani. I remember one incident eMedium C, kunalabantu laba ama inmate ekukuthi abawathola ama visit, yayibona into enjalo. I-prison njengwayona nje can be a frustrating environment, iyodwa nje. You can imagine if awutholi visit, yayibona into enjalo. Then kuba ne-family day, akunamuntu ozayo. Abantu ohlala nabo esectionini babuya baphethe ama-plastic abo red cake,
ekubasela
uyayibona ukuthi into enjani yeah so mina ngoba bengisipane e-shop that day yabo kube ne-surplus sesiyenzile i-profit sitholile i-target yethu yabo kube ne-surplus kulezi zinto lezi so mina ngidecide ukuthi ne yazini lezi zinto lezi esisele why mar singanikezi labantu laba ekuthi less privileged yabona after all yo eyabelori kube sithi emullo
ay ulayile
mo sithi emullo yeah mele kube investigation and everything it investigation kanjani yini into eshodayo yenza ukuthi kuze kube ne-investigation no you didn't have a right and what ngithi okay fine ngiyavuma ukuthi mhlambe bengana right but lento engiyenzile wena uyibheka kanjani as a person yabona into enjalo imali yonke iphelele yonke le mali siboleke 5,000 for this project sibhatalile 5,000 thina senze interest plus minus ye-25,000 yabona into efana nale saselelo ukudla iboshwa zinako ukudla kwazo laba abanye abangayitholanga ilontoza nginikeze bona after all eyabo le event yabona ukuthi into enjani yabelori no kibe sisemulo.
Last 3 questions. Sorry, just to chip in. I've got an interest. Khonale Sunlight, soap mola ne.
Yes.
And then khonale Divaslab, kune toothbrush. Mawungene observation. Bafike badaya sifuna ukucheck aqala for the next 6 months. Uloku plugile windowini. Ubone windowini. I remember lang traumatize kakhulu incosi yami ikhulele windowini princess. Because afika abambele window khulume kule speaker, khotele speaker so ngilazi kahle window. Lezi zinto lezi grand why yonke lento kuyizinto ezi-substandard who supplies lezi zinto kabhaya ezisedlanyana because kune-budget sometimes bathi 2.2 billion but mawuthi uyalandelela iboshwe ezizothola mina ngine-visit anginidi anything yasejele ngine-show ukuthi i-60% abantu abamasajaya abantu abagijima phansi abantu abakrevulayo abanye yilo 3 u4 u5 u6 u7 u8 bayazenzela bayazi esinomkhosi wethu badlaba bodwa einkambini zabo. And so kusho ukuthi 40% maybe le ngathi iyabhayiziseka umuntu obuya ohisi nakhona uboshwele ngale ukutshontsha inkomo and vad lo muntu akana live vele unyawupe grand uyayithola then kuba yibo kuphela abanikezwa lezi zinto lezi le nyuku enye ebhaya iyapi and lezi zinto lezi bazithatha hapi one ile nyama engathi ebuffalo le hey kudliwe enye inyama engayitholi kahle 2 fish yakhona ngiyazi fish ifrya ngamaqanda I don't know ifrya ngani 3 ngangidla omunye elinye isobho lapha elipink engakaze ngalibona ngaphandle yabo 4 yonke into yakhona mawuthi uyayibheka even ushukela zithi 1 spoon what so izinto ziyisincwebo the rest lezi zinto ziyapi plus the budget zibuyapi zithengwapi lezi zinto lezi ezinye.
Ngicela ukuthi ngikhulume ngalokudla nalamafish zonke lezi zinto lezi ngokhuluma kazi bafale. It's a very very sad thing ukuthi ngakhuluma ngayo. So I will rather not say anything than ukuthi ngikhulume kusuka from 96 when Ibusasa year introduced.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, Ibusasa bese kuyiyo ephekayo. Ibusasa I want to believe ukuthi beyipheka ukudla okuright.
Yeah.
Or oku-improve compared to le ngafuni ukukhuluma ngayo. Irasul, yabo. Endabeni zabo Mavaslap and everything, I would want to believe ukuthi by then bekungakabi nalento le tender system. I want to believe ukuthi the apartheid government yes bekuyi-tender but bekungakasebenzi le concept ye-tender as we know it today.
Three-code system.
Yeah. So bekuyilento yokuthi kunomuntu osupplyayo.
Yeah.
Lo muntu angimazi ngithole asupplya ngithole insipho nabo Vaslap zibakhona. Yabo? Mhlambe ke the person that I was bayenze sure ukuthi hey akasondeli kulezi zinto lezi. Ngoba maka ngabona lo mshikashika uzosikhosela iproblem yabona. So I don't want to lie, I know nothing about that. But ke years later bekunalento leyo ukuthi manje sekuya tenderizwa yabona into enjalo. And then ke kule tender system bekunama suppliers nakhona angazi next ngayo. All that I know ukuthi ama toothpaste beweza ama toothbrush beweza Sunlight beyiza kwayona ama uniform yabona into efana leyo ama towel and everything. but engakusho ukuthi lezinto kahle kahle azifiki or azhandlilwa ngalendlela ekumele zihandlilwe ngakhona yabona because there are times ukuthi wena uyafika as an official uthola ukuthi mina ngifika Wednesday eSpanini and ngiyazi ukuthi every Monday kuphuma insipho kuyaphakiswa yabona and then an inmate nje ethi or no ayathola next yabona ngimangale mina yayibona into efana leyo and then mawuthi uje ahamba lapha no ya estores zikhona lezo zinto zipakiwa ama box yabona ukuthi why if umuntu uthi akanantsipho why kumele kuze kumelwe mina until Wednesday yayibona into efana naleyo kusho ukuthi mhlambe nakhona ibuyela kulento leyo ukuthi between mina nama clients bese kune good rapport so much that ukuthi bebangasa complain kwabanye abantu yabona kule side list lama inmate kunalento ukuthi umuntu ufuna ukuba ibest ebandit yabona mhlambe mina bengiyi best maphuza yayibona into efana le but ke njengoba ngishilo if bengu best maphuza it's because mina yilendlela bengisebenza nokudila nokubahandlela ngakhona so they trusted me more than they could trust some of my colleagues not because mina bengipimpa ama colleagues wami anything because I was not interested in anything that is not in line with my line of work.
Would you say into powerful abantu or system? Why I'm saying that is system yes runner if best running a system we know mawungena olo training ucaptain no CC or first officer uyasho lo check ama light check uyangithola I system le isebenza la mari operator abantu so do you think when ukhishwa abantu or ukhishwe I system?
Mina ngikhishwa abantu but ngicela ukuchaza something ye system because ngine problem ngine problem ngalento le ne concept ye system na lendlela abantu abanderstanda I system ngakhona your question ukuthi I problem is system or umuntu into engizokutshela yona ukuthi I system cannot exist on its own I system I design umuntu yabona so umuntu u designer I system ngama intentions amabi yabona that is why I system izohlala inama loophole. It's not by accident. It's by design. It's deliberate.
Sabotage.
It's deliberate. Yayibona into efana nale. Because I system ingaba khona e designed with good intentions. And then umuntu afike yena. I sabotage le system. I mosh. Yabona they created their own system. Yayibona into efana le.
Problems are man-made problems.
Yabona akusi problem ekuukuthi ikhona. Yabona
let's talk about the causes. Sesivalile ke. Ngifuna ukucheck indaba yamakhosi ejele. Bayakhala bogogo omkhulu omama bo aunt bobaba ukuthi man lana kunokuhlala umuntu isystem ubhajiwe for 20 years. Kufika isikhathi mhlawumbe uyahamba ifile NCCS or I sentence plan yakhe through CMC or parole board but yes lo muntu lo isikhathi sakhe kudala sishayile nimphuzile menziseni course fast aphume. So would you then say ebantwini sebahleli South Africa imamele yonke ikhona indaba yala makhosi chief how would you change impilo yomuntu in 1 month? Because uhlala 20 years ejele mara moyenzi anger management anger in anger out or life skill or le sexual ntontonton lenzwayo niyenza for 3 weeks uyenza for 2 weeks. There's a guy being interviewed the other day uthi emfethu mina bangilande ngo4 ekseni bangivulela ukuthi ifile libuyile ku NCCS ngidlela ngo4 ekseni athili ngo5 ntambama kusasa ekseni bangikhiphe ejele so lo muntu uhleli life sentence edanyane bajumpa ukuthi isikhathi sambile ikhosi ukwazile ukuyenza ngelanga eli1 kwesinye isikhathi bayayijika on the flip side they are saying no ngeke uhambe hamba wenza ama course siga 6 months so I system food leyo or abantu
you know angna right yokukhuluma on behalf of our inmates but engakusho nje ukuthi the system is failing our inmates in so many ways. Yawa failure, and I'm not shy to say that. So, the system yawa failure, my inmate. Like, as in Shilo, how do you expect umuntu ongene etanyane ane BA in pedagogics? This person is an educator by qualification. Usentence asinandaba ukuthi wenzeni ubulala umfazi wakhe or urobhe ibank whatever la
bamsukela bamfondonse
it doesn't matter
maruphakathi
uphakathi lo muntu lo ne and then sine problem esifuna ukuyi-address, sifuna ukurehabilitate abantu. Yeah. Sina about 4.2 inmates. And out of these 4.2 inmates, about 1.2 bafuna ukufunda. They want to focus. And then abantu abane potential yokuthi they can influence. They can influence. Yazi kunalento le ngesintu sithi isithunzi. Yayibona into nje. Yeah. Let's put indaba zama numbers aside. Sikhuluma ngesithunzi, yabona? Lo muntu lo one aura ethize, yabona? Yeah. So this person uza kimi as an official, yabona? Uthi man baba, yazini. Nento nje engayicontribute mina from outside, yabona? Nabantu abafana noThemba ekukuthi bangaletha la iprogram ethize, yabona? And this program can contribute so much. Yabona into efana le. Yeah. Mbese mina ngithi kuye okay kulungile mfethu ngiyayithanda yena ngiyayibona lento le, yabona? Iza ngithathe mina ngise ku head of the prison. Yabona into efana le. Mangifika ku head of the prison uzongibuza into yokuqala. Ubuza mina ukuthi mina lento le mangayenzakala ngiyobenefita ini mina. Yabona? Ngithi mina ngibenefiti next. Yabona? Athi the inmate le ezinale ngcondo le uyobenefita ini. Ngithi well benefita ngazi mina I think kuzoba indaba yokuthi nje iprofile yakhe izoba right. Yabona? Yeah. So kunokuthi ahlale nje idle sibhekane nendaba zomthetho, yabona? Well depending kuye ngefeeling yakhe as the head of the prison ngiyakaza iconsider no counselor. Uzothi disapproved. Yayibona ukuthi nje njalo. So it goes back to what you asked me earlier on mawukhuluma nge-system, yabona? Ukuthi system yiyo efailayo or efaila umuntu. I mean to say abantu. Yayibona into njalo. Yeah. So I can answer you in so many ways. In so many ways. But nje as an officials there are other things. Ekukuthi mhlambe angeke ngikhona ukuzisho on behalf of ama inmates. But ama inmates they know very well. Yabona? They know very well ukuthi mina yini engiyenzile. Yabona? And ngiyakusho manje in full ukuthi the system akusi system econducive ukuthi ingarehabilitate abantu. Instead ibayenza ukuthi abantu babe worse. Yayibona into efana nale. Ibayenza ukuthi babe worse, some of them. It's only a few esikhona ukuba reach. And layo few leyo siba reacha ngokuthi sendlule ebunzimeni obuthize, yabona? The most unfortunate thing ukuthi umuntu ongekho ebhodweni or who is not the chef uye odecidayo ukuthi kumele kungene ispice esingakanani ebhodweni. Yayibona into efana.
That's powerful. Very intelligent.
So mina I'm in the cold face. You should be learning from me. You should be hearing from me. Ukuthi this is what we want, yabona? But ke abantu ngisabuyela kulento and ngifuna ukuyise and mangithi abantu I'm talking about officials and not just officials. Our managers to senior managers. Yibo abantu abayi problem kule system.
Nipeti spice madoda makhulu. Anise abo chef anikuzwa, but if you can't handle the heat you must get out of the kitchen. That's how we wrap it up. But you're parting short, my brother, because kukhona ukukulethela and ngisho ukuthi you are saying I'm willing and able and I'm still capable. Abantu abafana laba baqala icampaign umkhulu the other day. Ngisho ukuthi boshwa South Africans and then if you feel ukuthi sayifila le ndoda, it's good to say bafethu siyavota. Siphile country ye democracy. I activate democracy. Na indoda enkulu. Grootman uSierra ukhulume njengobaba ke vandag. Mina ke angimani nje yazi ngesizulu batho kwangihlaba umxhwela. Angimani ngibe excited nje for i-content nani. Ngiyamlalela umuntu ngimuzwe lo muntu ukhona uyaphila. So nje obushila ukuthi hayi abaphila singabavusa sibabuze. Nalabo sebaphumile ukuthi bengubani in the system. Noma ngabe soshayekile. Your last shot if ever mhlambe you still have a desire. By the way, maybe the first question, do you still have a desire? Uyokubuyela ku system and what's your appeal then? Ku system ikufeyilile mhlambe into yama union and ultimately ngaphandle because of umuntu yini appeal yakho to the DCS. That's how we wrap it up.
Mina I still want to go back to the system because ngifila ukuthi ngisane contribution ekumele ngiyenze. And njengoba ngisho baningi abantu abasese ngaphakathi engicabanga ukuthi bayalidinga usizo lami, yabona? But it's not only about those people. Mina ngifuna ukucontribute. And I feel ukuthi usisonke nje. Even kwabona labo bantu ekwama client. Bamele balithole ithuba lokwenza icontribution. There's always this thing ukuthi masiku rehabilitator sifuna ukuthi mawuphuma uya ngaphandle
Yeah.
you should pay back
Yeah.
ku society
That's
ube
right, yeah.
ube important yabona thina asifuni ukuthi sikhiphe isinkwa ekuyisinkwa kuphela
Yeah.
sifuna ukuthi sisifake nama raisins sinambithe emphakathini uyangithola so mina the reason why I'm here and ukuphendula umbuzo wakho yes ngifuna ukubuyela ku system because I still feel ukuthi ngisazo contribute iningi contribution baningi ama graduate ekumele ngiwaproduce eDanyani yeah adding to these ones and le ndlela engihambe ngayo it's not a fair way yokuthi ngihambe ngoba for one ayikho into wrong engiyenzile even today ngisadibana nabanye ama senior managers okuthi they were part of that decision making process they are saying to me they never thought ukuthi lento le ebebayikhanda ngoba umkhando yonke lento le ukuthi iyoze ifike lapho they thought ukuthi nje bona bayangithusa babasho yabo then my answer to them ukuthi if you ask me ukuthi ngibuya nini mina zange ngizikhiphe ningikhiphile manithi ngibuya nini you never saw me as an important part as an important element yalo machinery lo yabo nibuza mina today just nje ukuthi ngokubriefe kancane mina I was dismissed in 2017 yabo and dismissal yami was about participating in an unlawful industrial action now unlawful industrial action in a definition yabo the most popular word yakhona is strike yabo now strike sinama elements like any other legal jargon yabo inama element one of the most important elements akhona it's withdrawal of services yabo but okumangazayo ukuthi mina I was never on duty I was officially off duty yayibona into efana le then mounting withdraw ama services yayibona into enjani ngwa withdraw kanjani because mina I've rendered my services ngaleso sikhathi li action iyenzakala and nalendlela engibe involve ngakhona mina there was a promise a commitment for that matter from the one of the senior managers who was the acting area commissioner ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi there will never be victimization of anyone yabona but ama officials wase medium P ngaleso sikhathi bebaseke by experience lento le they didn't want to come forward mina into engifelayo ukuthi ngingaba nalento le ukuthi guys you wanted to meet management management is here you don't want to talk why but you know siyasaba ngoba masingakhuluma ne management sizo victimized that's where I stepped in me and then the management gave a commitment ukuthi no sir when among ayithatha lento le wayenza ukuthi ubreak ice between thina nalama striking officials because mina ngaleso sikhathi I was not striking but bengilapho because lento bebayiraisile into engaffecta direct kahle it was about imali zabantu ekukuthi they were not paid they were held back because of one person yabona abantu abafuna ukuzenza amaboss ku system isibuyisela kuphi kulento leyo ukuthi isystem iyo efailayo or umuntu yabona umuntu or abantu there is this clique kunalabantu laba abazitshelayo ukuthi bona yini yayibona into efana le then wena mabakubona njengomuntu lo uthi no akasabi and mina I never said that even now ngisasho benga challenge umuntu mina bengichallenge into wrong and if uyangibonisa ukuthi no lento le ayikho ngalendlela lenga ucabanga uyibona ngakhona then I will accept and move on yayibona into enjalo bengisebenzile and worse ngalelo langa leyo mina bengibele ngiyobhala aba exams yabona enye into engifelayo le indaba yesikolo kahle nje azange ibaphathe kahle and for 23 years njengoba ngisho I was never shortlisted even once with the qualifications that I have mind you with my qualifications as a sponsor yiyo le department ukuthi ngizo contribute but the contribution angiyenzanga mina yabona so for me I will say it was not a good return on investment.
The people will speak. The people always speak to us and we listen. I feel like kufuneka igame Natalian ngesithuthi. Kufuneka the second coming of Grootmane uBrasiera. With that said, that's how we wrap it up. Till the next episode. Ningakhohlwa ke ukulike, ukusubscribe and you follow our channel. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory forever and ever. Amen and amen.